Hey lovely people, welcome back again to this amazing channel. If you are new here, my name is Lisa, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. So guys, in today's video we are going to do some cleaning, and at the end of this video we are going to try out something new. So guys, stay tuned as we do this together. So guys, this is my other bathroom. Let's say my guest bathroom, or rather my boys bathroom stock toilet. We have never washed this one with you guys, so I decided to do it with you. You have seen all the ingredients or all the products that I use, msafi and just washing detergent to make this bathroom look neat and also sparkling. So guys, let's continue watching as we do this together. So I hope guys we are still in this together and we're continuing with this cleaning. So funny thing that happened in this clip, guys, I hope it will be good for us sharing out, is that I was filming just normally as I always do, and then apparently some clips got lost. How did they got lost? I thought that I was filming, but apparently my phone memory was full, so I needed to delete some files and folders for me to get some storage spaces for other new videos. So that's what happened in this video. That's why you'll not see everything at the end, like just the usual cleaning, let's say rinsing off and cleaning downwards there. So you won't see those clips because they all got lost in that confusing state. But anyway, that is not a stumbling block for me to not stop recording. I went ahead and deleted some files and yeah, just general checking on my phone storage, and did decluttering there also for me to get more space for other videos. So guys, yeah, sometimes we get these challenges, and what can we do? We keep pushing, because you can't just say, oh, my phone is full, and you don't film. No, you need to take that as a challenge and push forward. So I hope I've encouraged somebody somewhere out there to continue filming, and don't get discouraged when your phone is full or your phone storage is not working for you. Just delete some other videos or some pictures that you don't want. So guys, let's continue and see what is happening at the end of this video. I have something that I've gotten for myself. It's here. It's an air fryer. And yeah, so let's unbox it. I hope everyone is doing good. So I got something for myself. It's here. Yeah. So I came here to unbox with you and see how it is. Also, we'll cook with it today. So let's start. So I ordered it from Jumia. So oh my gosh, I don't know how to go about this thing. wanted to open this. I wanted to be able to do. So the first thing is manual. Unaiona hapa. Yeah, I'll go through it baadaye. And this is a warranty. Day by day, don't ever lose these things. I always keep them in case I want to use them again. So it is well packaged. You can see how it is. Very well packaged. Very well packaged. So the main thing is here. Wow, this is the main thing, guys. Just putting them down here. So this is the main thing. And then so this ya hapa ndani. Aha. Let's see. Okay, I'm super excited. Though the string is not that long, kidogo. So this is how it looks. I'll get a closer picture. It's so nice. So I don't even know how to open it. This is it. And yeah, wow. It has so many things you can do. It has here, you can do some cakes. I can see salmon, some fish, meat, some yams, chips, pizza, and also chicken. So guys, we will fry something with it and then we will see. Anyway, so that's what I got and I'm happy for myself. So I hope you people are good. So guys, this is something that I got for myself. I waited for the end year sales that normally happens, and I got it for myself. Why am I saying this? It's just to encourage somebody somewhere out there that whatever you are putting in an effort, one day the rewardings will be so big. I always celebrate my small gains that I always get in my life. They cannot be big, but they are small. To me, this is something big. So like this thing has been on my waiting list. I don't know for how long. I think 3 years. I don't know. But I just wanted to own an air fryer in my life and see how it can help me move around in the kitchen, especially as a busy mom as I am. So guys, don't give up on your dreams. Don't give up on anything that you are doing. If you are saving for something, I'm praying that you get it and you get to enjoy whatever you want in your life. So guys, I hope I've encouraged someone. My ambition is to always have a positive mindset and everything is going to work out for you, okay? So guys, we want to test it and see if it's okay. You can see I've just put inside that rack, and then I just want to see if it's working. So yeah. So I don't know, guys. So I can see it is directing me to do it all. Yeah, it's working, guys. So at the menu you can see there are chips if you want to do chips, if you want to do meat, if you want to warm, you can see temperature, I can see on and off. This is timer. You can do nuts. I don't know if you're seeing with me. Let me focus. Nuts, it's here. And then you can see pizza. And then we have timing. Yeah, guys, it's working. So it's off again. You can do it on if you want. Okay. Yes, guys, now we have an air fryer. Why don't we try out working with it or cooking in it? So guys, if you have been in this channel, you know that I'm an OG of Royco spices, and they are the one thing that saved my life so much. So here I was showing you the spices that I was going to marinate with my chicken. All of them I will write down there, and you'll see all the spices that I normally use. Here is the chicken that I wanted to prepare. What I was doing was just marinating it and then setting aside to wait for a few minutes or seconds before I start cooking it in the air fryer. So guys, let's do this together again. So guys, here after my chicken was in the fridge for 30 minutes, I decided to just place it in that rack for air fryer and start frying it. I'm new in this journey. I don't know much about it. I will appreciate comments in this comment section for how to use an air fryer effectively. Because what I did with my chicken is after 15 minutes, I turned it and then returned to the air fryer. After 15 minutes, I also turned it again. That is how I got my air fryer to cook properly. So I don't know about you guys. Anybody who has suggestions, ideas on how to use an air fryer, I'm welcoming them in the comment section, and I will highly appreciate. Roughly, guys, the chicken took 45 minutes for it to be completely cooked and crispy the way you are seeing it. I appreciate what the air fryer is doing in my kitchen. I'll be sharing more recipes and to see what it's doing. So guys, if you have watched up to this part, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to comment, and also don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye bye.